Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually save your replays to your PC and kind of upload it as a replay. So unfortunately, there's no way yet to just download it to your PC as a video. But you can record it using any app you want. I use OBS to record stuff. You can just hide the UI. I don't really like this bit, but you can find, I guess, apps to remove that. But in the meantime, you will need another app like OBS to record your replays and stuff. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. That was such a bad shot for me. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.